So this is the rear tire hugger that I have installed, and as you can see, this is a universal one. This is a single sided tire hugger. This is a left sided view. This is the rear view. Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In this video I will be talking about the universal tire hugger that I have installed in my CB300F. So let's get started. So you have to remove the washer that comes with the axle, and it's a direct fit. As you can see, this is adjustable right here. You can adjust the tilt of this tire hugger, and you can also make it towards the inside of the tire, towards the outside of the tire, and also the distance that can also be set. This is how the bike will look from the behind. It looks pretty cool. So that's a universal one. You can get it online from Amazon or Flipkart, and the link of the product will be given in the description if you want to check that out. Very well suited to the CB300F, and I have tried with my pillion as well, and when fully loaded the bike, when the suspension compresses, so the rear mudguard doesn't touch with the universal mudguard. There is enough clearance in that matter. And let's talk about the build quality. The build quality is good, but the clamp is not very rigid. There is a little bit of flex going around, so I can see a little bit of rusting in the welded parts. Talking about the job of it to protect the pillion from the mud splashes, yeah, it does a pretty good job in low speed, but it's not that effective in high speed because you know it's a 150 section rear tire, so the mud splashes are enormous, so it's not a splash proof or something, but it does its job in low speed. So yeah, you can try it out, and definitely it's better to have nothing in the rear. So yeah guys, that's about it. A short and sweet video, nothing much about it. You can go ahead and buy this if you are serious about touring and stuffs like that. And the looks is subjective. Somebody likes it, somebody don't. Personally, I don't have any problem with it because it will be there for just 2-3 months, and so after that I'll anyhow remove it. So see you guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.